Hello children, today we will be taking a new unit, that is Unit 3, Nouns. Unit 3, Nouns. We have already learned this in the previous class, that is in class 2. So now let's take a quick recap about the definition of these nouns. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Here, when you look at words, if it is the name of a person, it is a noun. If it is the name of an animal, it is a noun. If it is the name of a place or thing, it is a noun. Okay? So let us write some examples here. For person, we can write boy. For animal, let's write dog. Place, let's write park. And for thing, we can write anything like, let's write whiteboard. So these are the names of a person, animal, place or thing. So this is a noun. Okay, now we will do 4 topics today. The first one is common nouns. Common nouns, and the second will be proper nouns. Let's do this together. When we say common nouns, it is the common name of a person, animal, place or thing. Here I have written down some examples. Boy, city, dog, school, table. These are all common nouns. Okay? And then when we say proper nouns, it is the special names of a person, animal and place. Here, for boy, in proper noun, I have written down names, Lalboy. For city, I have written down the name of a city, Delhi. And for dog, I have written down the name of a dog, Sammy. For school, I have written down here, St. Paul's Institute. These are the special name of one person, one place, one animal, and one school. So this is a proper noun. Understand? Now let us differentiate common noun and proper noun. Look at here. Number 1, teacher. For teacher, you have many teachers. You can write the name of any teacher. Okay? Here, let me write my name. For cat, let us write the name of one cat. For country, when we say country, there are many countries. So, let us write the name of our country, that is India. And for river, there are many rivers. Let us write the name of one river, that is Yamuna. Okay? So, look at the difference here. In common noun, the letter starts with small letter. But whenever we write a proper noun, it should begin with capital letter always, because it is a special name. So whenever you write proper noun, let me repeat, you have to write with capital letter. And then the next one, we have collective nouns. Groups of animals, people or things, they are called collective nouns. When we say one flower, it is a flower, alright? But when we are talking about a bunch of flowers, we say a bouquet of flowers. When we are talking about a group of cows, we don't say a group of cows, we say a herd of cows. And then whenever we talk about a group of dogs, we say a pack of dogs. These are called collective nouns. Alright? Let me repeat. A bouquet of flowers, a herd of cows, and then a pack of dogs. These are collective nouns. And then the fourth one, we have gender nouns. In gender nouns, we have masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and common gender. When we say masculine gender, we are talking about the male. For example, boy. When we are talking about feminine gender, it is the female, that is girl. And then when we say neuter gender, we are talking about the non-living things. For example, table. Table is neither a boy nor a girl, so it is a neuter gender. And common gender, when we say common gender, it can be a boy, it can be a girl, it can be male, it can be female. For example, when we say friend or cousin. Your cousin can be a boy or a girl, so they are common gender. And here, which gender does the noun pencil, this pencil have? Is it masculine, feminine, neuter or common gender? It is a neuter gender because it is non-living things. Alright? Let us take a few more examples about these gender nouns. Here, for the first one, tiger. The feminine gender of tiger is tigress. And then, second, let's write king. What will be the feminine gender of king? It is queen. And third, let's write peacock. The feminine gender of peacock is peahen. Likewise, here, for the last, let's write nephew. The feminine gender of nephew is niece. Okay, here, next, neuter, non-living things like eraser, and then marker, pencil, chair. These are neuter gender. And again, for common gender, we have friend, teacher. A teacher can be a male or female. Doctor, nurse, and many more. Okay, these are the gender: masculine, feminine, neuter, and common gender examples. Only a few examples. Now let's see the textbook and do the textbook exercise. Okay, children, open your grammar textbook to page number 11. Unit 3, nouns. Write the date. Today is that 8, 10, 20. Let's link it. You know that nouns are the names of persons, places, animals, and things. A. Put these nouns in the correct boxes given below. 4 have been done for you. See here, there are some words given here. We have to put it in the correct boxes. People, we have people in the first box. Places, animals, things. So, read these words. This is postman. Is the name of people. It is a person. So, we will write in here. It is already written. So, you tick like this. Cat is the name of an animal. So, tick it like this. Already written. And then, Delhi is the name of place. Here, we have it already here. So, you tick it like this again. Pigeon is the name of an animal, right? So, write it down here. And after you finish writing, tick it like this, okay? And after that, we have bell. It is already written here. Bell is the name of things, right? So, you tick it like this again. After that, we have donkey. Donkey, is it the name of things? Animals, places, people? It is animal, right? So, write in these boxes. And then, Bank. Do you know bank? Yes. I hope you know bank. Bank is the name of place. So you write it down here and after that you tick it like this again. Nurse. Nurse is the name of people, right? So you write it here and after you have written it down, tick it like this again. Sakshi is the name of a person. So you write it here in capital S. And then after that we have beach. Beach is the name of place, so you write it down here, beach. Dolphin, do you know dolphin? I hope you do. Cobbler, do you know cobbler? I hope you still remember what is cobbler. T, playground, truck. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, you have to put it in the correct boxes. Okay? Words like postman, playground, cat and bell are common nouns. Let's see this. A common noun is a name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing in general. Read this many times. Here are some more examples. Boy, city, girl, country, river, car. Sakshi and Delhi are proper nouns. Here we have Sakshi, Delhi. They are written in capital letter. Alright? A proper noun is a special name of a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. It always begins with a capital letter. Here, this also, you read it many times. Look at these examples. Harsh, Mumbai, Tina, India, Ganges, Maruti. So these are some examples of proper noun. Write 2 proper nouns for each of these common nouns. City, write the name of 2 cities here. Teacher, write the name of 2 teachers here. And then number 3, pet dogs. You can write the name of dogs here. And then river. You can write the name of 2 rivers here. This will be, I think you will be able to do this. So you have to do this by yourself, okay? Next we have collective nouns. Now read these sentences. I saw a litter of puppies. Bought a bouquet of flowers. A litter is a group of puppies. A bouquet is a bunch of flowers. The words litter and bouquet are collective nouns. A collective noun is a word that stands for a collection or a group of people, animals, or things. Read this many times. Here are some more examples. A swarm of flies, an army of ants. Swarm and army are the collective noun. Alright? Exercise C. Pick the correct collective noun for these pictures. What is this? Clouds, right? What is this? Cards. These are cows, grapes, sheep, and then birds. Here, let's do this. Number 1, a cluster of clouds. And then a pack of cards. A herd of cows. 4, 5, 6. You have to do this by yourself. Alright? And then let's skip this page for now. Next we have gender. Here is a family tree. Fill in the names of your family members. Page number 14. Grandfather, grandmother. Father, mother, uncle, aunt, yourself, cousin. Here in this family tree, write the name of your grandfather. Here, write the names of your grandmother. Write your father's name, mother's name, your uncle's name, your aunt's name, your name, and your cousin's name. And then your grandfather, your father, your uncle, and your brother belong to the masculine gender. They are all male, so they are masculine gender. After that, your grandmother, mother, aunt, and sister belong to the feminine gender. Alright? There are some nouns that have no gender, such as table and umbrella. See here, table and umbrella. Can you say this table is a girl, this umbrella is a boy? No, they have no gender, right? These nouns in are in the neuter gender. All non-living things are in the neuter gender. So, this kind of nouns like table, umbrella, they are neuter gender. Alright? This will also be your homework to do. Alright, that will be all for today. Bye-bye.